campsite for the night. And we got our tent done. Justin's still trying to bang some pegs into the earth, or straighten the pegs that got bent. And there's our tent, kitchen tent, our fire pit, and so far we have seen absolutely nobody here. So we are without electricity, without cell phone coverage, without water. We have an outhouse, and oh hey, we got a ranger! Woohoo! Hello! How you doing? We found another human. This is wild. Oh my gracious, so we're all by ourselves?
We're at the bottom. All set. We're a little late getting started. Yay. It's a 4-day hike. and there's the mountain in the background. We're going up to the top there. Ooh,
it's a day hike.
All set. Heidi's signing us in to say that we're on our way up the mountain. All hikers, please register. Follow all the rules. You have to do them this way.
But I made it.
We made it to the top of, what's it called?
Mount Katahdin.
Mount Katahdin.
Baxter State Park, tallest peak in Maine.
Perfect. We didn't quite make it to the top because that's the peak over there, but we're pretty spent. And this is a pretty awesome view as it is.
And if we continued on, we'd be home after dark. Back.
Cool. So you see all the peaks in the background. And,
Garbage then, because I can't go. Mom, can we please go now?
we made it pretty high, but we didn't make it to there. That's another hour and a half. We've been walking for 4.5 hours, so we're kind of done because we have a 4.5 hour walk down now.
Nice to get up again.